Sibingelela ubuholi bonke obukhona phakathi kwethu. Yabona amalunga seParliamente, eNational nakwi-province. Sibingelela inhlaka zonke zomkhonto wesizwe phansi. Nabefundisi nobishop abakhona. Sibingelela nobaba abangeyona iWomen's League kodwa sinabo. Siyathanda.
Thank you for support.
Uthe ubishop obela kuzoba u2x2. Hayi cha. Ingathi uzoba khona phela u2x2. Mangabe nisithanda kanje hayi kuzoba no2x2. My comrades, we are not going to waste time. Lo milano okhulumayo comrade uPel Gasa obanjisiwe kwesikhashana ukuba uconvener waseThekwini region kwiWomen's League. Siyasa decide ukwenza le march ngoba sesikhathele sibona izingane zethu day in and day out ziyafa and uma sesithola ukuthi zibulawa yini ikhosi ukudla bakuthenge umaspaza shops. Comrades, angiyenze le disclaimer phambi kwenu. Ngiyisoja lomkhonto wesizwe elitrainwe in exile. Ngike ngahlala kumazwe ase-Afrika. Kumazwe sasihlala bona e-Afrika siye for i-training ngey'khathi zobandlululo. Lento eyenzeka la e-South Africa ikaze yenzeke. We were confined kuloma areas la sasi-receive khona i-training. Even i-movement yethu was monitored from point A back to point B. Leo banana republic abayenza la eSouth Africa siyazi. Wes abezile ngobuhle beza ngokuzosibulala. Ngiyanitshela namhlanje comrades and ngiyazi niyarekhoda. This is cold war abayiqalayo. Bafuna ukuketula umbuso waseSouth Africa. Ngeke sivume under our watch. Asifuni impela iGNU. Kodwa ngeke sivume ukuthi ama-foreigners azothatha izwe lethu. Siqhashaziwe ama-China ala angekho emthethweni. Siqhashaziwe oRupert. Siphinde sizoqhashazwa nabantu bakithi abamnyama base-Afrika. Sithi enough is enough. Siomama baseThekwini region. Sithi we are prepared even to die for this revolution. We are going to defend this revolution. Comrades, asizuwaste isikhathi ngoba nangu brigadier yakuthu sekhona. Kuthiwa isikhathi sethu sesidwe yinja. Kusho kanjani? Major General. Ngiyaxolisa ukumdemote. Siyaxolisa. Sizoyifunda imemorandum simnikeze. Siyabonga nje ukuthi kukhona ababhastiwe lana iwarehouse yabo. Kodwa sithi that is not enough, comrades. Because you bust iwarehouse eyi-1 but ukudla kwabo kusesekhona ey'tolo. Basaqhubeka basaphoyizina iy'ngane zethu. And iwarehouse eyodwa. Only one, ayingaki lama warehouses. Yingakho sithi akushuthe down amaphoyisa yezo. Akushuthe down ama-spaza shops wabo. Thina bomama esiqashisile lama-foreigners emzini yethu. Anivuke nowonembeza. Nixoshe nabantu abadayisa ukudla emzini yethu. Nayi memorandum esiyiphethe sizoyifunda njengamanje siyifundela uMajor General esinethemba ukuthi ngoba umuntu wesifazane umama uneyinseka naye kusasa kungaba ezakhe lezi ngane ezifayo so kukhona abazokwenza ngaloko esikusho kula memorandum. Imemorandum yethu ithi to South African Police Service ithi subject agent request to intervention regarding the sale of poisonous food by illegal traders. Then our introduction. We, the eThekwini Region Women's League, are writing to formally raise a grave concern regarding the sale of poisonous and unsafe food products by illegal traders in our communities. Specifically, there have been alarming reports of food sold by illegal foreign traders, particularly Somalian nationals, that has caused serious illness and the tragic loss of lives among our citizens, especially children. The background: the food being sold by these traders, many of whom are operating illegally in the country, has been linked to numerous health incidents, including severe food poisoning and fatalities. These vendors often sell food in unsanitary conditions without proper inspections by health authorities. making it impossible for consumers to know whether the food is safe. This has become an especially urgent concern around schools, where children are the most vulnerable. In addition to the immediate health risk, there are also concerns about the unregulated nature of this trade, which not only compromises public safety, but also undermines the livelihoods of local businesses that adhere to health and safety regulations. Now, sesiza kuma-demands. I-demand yethu yokuqala ithi immediate investigation and action. We demand that the South African Police Service and the Municipality Health Inspectorate immediately investigate the activities of these illegal traders and take swift action to remove any individual involved in the manufacturing and selling of poisonous food. Closure of unsafe establishment. That is number 2. We call for the closure of all shops, depots, and food outlets that are selling unsafe, uninspected, and harmful food products. This includes specifically the so-called deport Pakistan traders who are operating without permits and engaging in the sale of dangerous goods. Point 3. Stronger enforcement of health and safety regulations. We urge the Municipality Health Inspectorate to step up its effort to ensure food sold to the public meets the necessary safety standards. This includes regular inspections, particularly in areas with a high concentration of illegal traders. Point 4. Deportation of illegal foreign nationals. We demand that those operating in violation of the law, particularly those illegal residing in South Africa, be detained and deported in accordance with immigration law. This will help curb the illegal trade of harmful food products and prevent further loss of life. Point 5. These traders are circumventing health regulations and selling poisonous food, often under misleading labels or false expiry dates. Point 6. In addition to our concerns about illegal food trading, we would like to highlight the critical need for increased health inspector presence in the eThekwini region. Point 7, which is the last point. We request that the relevant health authorities allocate more resources to conduct regular inspections and ensure that food products are not only within the expiry date, but also safe for consumption. There have been numerous instances where products appear to be within their expiry date on the label, yet inside the packaging, they contain harmful substances. A more robust system of inspection is necessary to safeguard public health and prevent further harm. In conclusion, comrades, the safety of our children and citizens is our highest priority. The ongoing sale of poisonous food is a direct threat to public health and well-being. We believe that urgent action must be taken by both SAPS and the Municipality Health Inspector to address this growing crisis. We trust that you will give this matter the immediate attention it deserves and work swiftly to implement the necessary measures to protect our communities. We look forward for your prompt response and swift action that is necessary to prevent further harm.